Hey, Double D Martin here. I'm excited to say that today I got my Ruger Redhawk M357 Magnum. I've been wanting one of these for a long time because it's a 8-shot revolver and it's known to be very durable. So I've never shot it before. About to find out. Let's shoot. Fire in the hole. Until next time, stand. Oh wait, there's two more. It's an 8-shot. Fire in the hole. That's so fun. I'm gonna let my son take a shot.
Fire in the hole.
Clearly this thing is shooting better with single action than double action. We're just not that good. But today we are shooting 125 grain Magtex. Look forward to more action with this thing for sure. Until next time, stand by.